Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be preparing oven jerk chicken, but I will be cutting my chicken. I won't be doing a whole chicken, so I'm just going to wash my chicken, clean up my chicken, and I will be showing you guys how I will be seasoning my chicken. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut it like this up, just in the middle. Alright, and then I'm going to use my knife to finish, just like so. Alright, so I am going to clean out the fats and all of these inside. So I will be back to show you my process. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so as you can see, my chicken is in some water, say around 3 cups of water, 3 to 4 cups, and as you can see, the inside is clean and it is actually in some vinegar water. So I'm actually giving it the final rinse, and then I will be cutting it into some quarters. Alright, so you can either do it like this. This is called the butterfly chicken. Alright, or you can cut it in quarters, or you can do it whole. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so I am actually going to do a blend mix for my jerk chicken. So these are the green part of the scallion. I have 3 cloves of garlic, and I have some onions. I have a little piece of bell pepper and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, I'll be using some jerk seasoning also. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm going to add my seasoning to my blender. I'll be adding some coconut oil instead of water. Alright, and I will be adding a little browning as well. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so I'll be using a little paprika and some parsley. Alright, so this is what the mixture is looking like. Alright, so I am going to be placing it in my dish. Yummy. And I forgot to tell you guys that I put a piece of ginger in it as well. Alright. Alright, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so I normally wash my gloves before using it. I'm not sure about you, but this is my paprika. Using a little parsley, jerk seasoning. Alright, and this jerk seasoning that I'm using, it is salty. So if you're using this type of jerk seasoning, just be careful of the amount that you put in it. Alright, so this is say around less than a teaspoon of jerk seasoning that I'm using. As I said, it is salty. Alright, look how beautiful this is. Alright, so I'm gonna head in with my blended green seasoning. Alright, and this is going to be marinating for 1 day. All right, just make sure that all your chicken gets a little of the goodness. How beautiful this is. All right, so I'm gonna marinate it some more, and I normally taste my seasoning to see. A lot of persons don't do it that way, but I normally taste. All right, nothing is wrong with you tasting it while seasoning your meat. All right, so all right, stay tuned for my next step. So I will be putting this in a zip bag, and I will be placing it in the freezer. All right, or if you're gonna do it the next day, just like I said, you can put it in the bottom of the refrigerator in a zip bag or in a container. All right, stay tuned. Yes guys, so I taste, and it needed a little bit more seasoning, so I actually add 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose and about 3 pinch of sea salt. All right, so I'm just gonna marinate the rest in. All right, look how beautiful this is. All right, so this is going to stay for a day in this container in the bottom of my refrigerator until I am ready to jerk, and this will be oven jerk. All right, so a little of my seasoning is left back, so I'm going to put this in the fridge as well, and I am going to give it a coat with it. All right, so see you for my next step. Yes guys, so after 24 hours, all right, there you have it. My chicken is marinated. All right, oh my god, this is smelling so wonderful. All right, and as you can see over here, I coat my baking dish with foil paper and drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. All right, so I am now going to place my chicken inside my baking dish. All right. Alright, so I am going to put my chicken in, but first I am going to put foil paper to cover it for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. All right, so stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so this is what it is looking like. All right, so my oven was preheating at 185°C, and this is going to remain in my oven for 30 to 45 minutes covered. All right, then I will take it out to show you what it is looking like. Remember, this won't be like the smoky jerk chicken. This is oven jerk. So that's the only thing that will be missing, the smoke. All right, so you can substitute and use like liquid smoke, etc. All right, but I'm doing an oven jerk. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so be careful when you're lifting your foil. All right, so this is around 45 to 50 minutes. All right, so there you have it. This is what it is looking like. All right, so I am going to uncover and I am going to place it back inside the oven. So I'm just giving you a little peek. All right, so this will be placed inside the oven just to get a little darker and to have a nice color. All right, stay tuned for my next step. Yes guys, so after 30 minutes, this is what my oven jerk chicken is looking like. All right, this color is very beautiful. I am pleased with this color. All right, so this is my spray bottle. All right, and I will be using some Moscato wine to spray my chicken. All right, and it is flavored with passion fruit and melon, and I am also using some citrus. All right, so that's my lemon. All right, so stay tuned for my next step. I'm just so excited, loving this, loving. Yes guys, so I'm gonna spray. All right, and then I'm gonna place it back in the oven for a next 15 minutes. All right, this is going to be so delicious with this passion fruit and lemon flavor. Wow. All right, that should be enough, and then I'm going to put my lemon slices in just for a little citrus. All right, so stay tuned for my next step. After 15 minutes, I will see you guys for my presentation. Yes guys, so I'm just giving you a little peek. All right, so there you have it. My jerk chicken oven jerk is now ready. All right, and as you can see, the color is beautiful. All right, so the total oven cook time for my chicken is 2 hours. So just imagine guys, this is well done. I can't wait to dig in. All right, stay tuned for my presentation. Yes guys, my oven jerk chicken is now ready, and it is served with gongo rice. All right, you can choose to have it with maybe festival fries or wedges. It's all up to you. I'm having mine with a little rice. All right, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and you can place a comment below. See you soon. Peace out. Stay safe.